Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking in our electric aeroplane. Please take a seat and enjoy the show in our electric aeroplane. Fasten your seat belts, we're ready to go in our electric aeroplane. Now we're above the clouds, we're touching the sky in our electric aeroplane. And the beautiful sea just makes me cry in our electric aeroplane. Can you see the huge cloud right in front of our electric aeroplane? We must change our route and lift very high to our electric aeroplane. Our batteries are low, we're running out of power in our electric aeroplane. I must initiate a last desperate maneuver in our electric aeroplane. And the lightning strikes us that comes from nowhere to our electric aeroplane. Oh, no, 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 not electric aeroplane. We're in the ninth dimension, it's raising on my hair in our electric aeroplane. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking in our electric aeroplane. Our aircraft vital systems are not in good shape in our electric aeroplane. But I received a message from outer space to our electric aeroplane. That some alien creature will change it through to hit our electric aeroplane. So grab your oxy mask and breathe deeply in our electric aeroplane. We got a lot to do, many tasks to complete in our electric aeroplane. They're approaching us now, our sensors feel them run our electric aeroplane. Our systems are now fully operational in our electric aeroplane. Our generators are running at full power in our electric aeroplane. Be prepared, we're reaching twice the speed of light in our electric aeroplane. We're on our track in the purple fluid run our electric aeroplane. I can see 5 circles of fire blazing dark space night electric aeroplane. Global rescue net in our electric